Welcome. Today, we are combining two powerful forces, conscious breathing and affirmations. We will practice a breathing method inspired by Wim Hof, and in the stillness of breath retention, we will plant affirmations of wealth, love, and prosperity deep within your mind. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down. Close your eyes and allow yourself to simply be here in this moment. This is your time, a time to breathe in strength and breathe out everything you no longer need. Breathe deeply into your belly, into your chest, and let the air flow out effortlessly. Not forced, just natural, yet deep. Inhale is active. Exhale is release. Together, we'll take about 30 breaths. Strong inhale, relaxed exhale, like waves of the ocean. After the final exhale, hold your breath. And in that stillness, in the space between inhale and exhale, you will hear affirmations that your subconscious mind can absorb at the deepest level. Open yourself to them. Allow them to flow into every cell of your body. If you are ready, let us begin the first round. And remember, the more you surrender and relax, the more powerful the affirmations will become. Breathe out completely, hold, and surrender. For the next minute, simply let go and allow the affirmations to enter your deepest self. I am open to infinite abundance. I attract wealth effortlessly. It flows to me like a river of light. I am worthy of prosperity in every form. Money, love, and success move toward me with ease. I radiate love, and love returns to me multiplied. Every breath I take expands my energy and my power. Opportunities appear before me, and I welcome them. I am grateful. I am abundant. I am loved. Wealth is my natural state. Prosperity is my destiny. Exhale fully. Reset your breath. Inhale deep power. Release. Get ready. We move into the next cycle now. Let the last breath go completely. Hold the emptiness and surrender. For the next 1 minute and 15 seconds, you are open, receiving love, wealth, and prosperity. Within me flows infinite abundance. I am the source of my own prosperity. Every cell of my body vibrates with love and gratitude. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and success. Love surrounds me. Love flows through me. Love returns to me multiplied. Money and opportunities come to me in perfect timing. I am safe to receive. I am worthy to receive. Every breath expands my capacity for joy, freedom, and prosperity. I radiate confidence, and abundance responds. The universe supports me in every step I take. I choose to live in flow, in harmony, in love. My mind is clear. Exhale fully. Reset your breath. Inhale deep power. Release. Get ready. We move into the next cycle now. Exhale fully. Now hold and surrender. For the next 1 minute and 45 seconds, allow yourself to go even deeper. This is the final round. Receive the affirmations completely. I am abundance in every breath I take. Wealth, love, and prosperity are not outside of me. They are within me. I am aligned with the infinite flow of the universe. Every thought I think creates my reality, and I choose abundance. I radiate unconditional love, and it returns to me multiplied in every form. Prosperity is drawn to me because I am a magnet of light and energy. I trust life completely. I trust myself completely. Every challenge transforms into opportunity. Every moment opens new doors. I deserve wealth. I deserve love. I deserve joy. Money flows to me. Love flows to me. Success flows to me. I am grateful for all that I have and for all that is coming. My heart is open. My mind is clear, my spirit is powerful, I am abundance, I am love, I am prosperity, and so it is. Gently release the breath and allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Feel the calm flowing through your body. Feel the light you have awakened within. You have completed the full cycle. 3 rounds of breathing and affirmations of wealth, love, and prosperity. These words are now planted deep inside you, and they will continue to grow with every breath you take. Notice how your body feels. Notice the stillness of your mind and the openness of your heart. Carry this energy with you into the rest of your day, into every thought, every action, every choice. Abundance surrounds you. Love flows through you. Prosperity is your natural state. Take one last deep inhale. Exhale fully. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. May these affirmations continue to guide you toward abundance and love. If you felt the energy today, share it with others and join our community by subscribing